Hi, I'm Marna, and I've been having fun with 3D printed trolls that Darren has made. The model that Darren got off the internet has this hair that you also print and you glue to the flat head. Okay, I'll tell you a secret. Every time I use super glue, I end up gluing me to something. That's why I love the glue gun. However, we are going to add heat to this 3D troll hair. We're going to cut this part off once we get it glued. And with the heat, we're going to need super glue. So here we go. Let's see what happens to me. This could end up being we're going to try it a couple ways. This could end up being a comedian. Okay, we're going to do a drop here, and a drop, and a drop, and a drop, drop, as you can see. And then I'm going to take this troll and line its head up with the circle as best I can. That looks pretty good. And then we're going to take this one, the black for the gold, and I'm squeezing it sideways on where the handle isn't. And about a 1/4 inch in, we're going to run a zigzaggy circle around the edge. Why am I doing it 2 ways? Because I don't know which is best. And if one comes loose, then we'll know. And I'm going to take my guy and line him up as best I can and try to get his head centered over that. The black's a little harder to see than the green was. Let's see. There we go. Now, I'm going to let these sit for 24 hours. And now we're going to release the wheel and see what happens. You use a hair dryer, of which I never use for my own hair, so I am not, let's call it gifted with these. So I need a magazine, you know, the slick stuff, because I don't want to scratch my counter. And I'm going to try it with a butter knife and see how this goes. So let's first take the butter knife and see if we can release the, looks like I'm gonna have to do it kind of like this all the way around. I thought, oh, there we go, there we go, there we go. Just run that around the wheel. It's kind of like the old broom texture. When I was a kid, all those many moons ago, there were gumball machines where you could get little trolls out of, and they were 10 cents. And if I was good while my parents grocery shopped, sometimes I could get one of those. And oh, there were several machines, and you know, you'd choose which machine you wanted to put your dime into, which is about like, I don't know, $2 today. And one of the trolls that came out of there was about 1 inch tall, kind of like this. And it had like broom hair. I don't know what else to call it. Like, well, like this. And I actually had a pink one with green hair. All right, let's see if I freed that up. Almost. I don't want it to break. So I'm trying to be careful, and yet you got to be a little forceful with it or it just bends. Okay. Ta-da! There's a few left in there and a few broken, but okay, what the instructions, what little instructions there were said to do was to heat the hair up and then kind of stack it. So I'm going to put this on high. And let's heat it up. I'll work this direction so that it does, oh, it's happening quickly. Wow. Okay, here we go. Woo, hope I've been doing it. And off. Oh, off, I'm busy here. And then take the hair and push it on up. Somebody that knows how to use one of these would probably be really good at this. Okay. I am getting more of a, I shouldn't have had it hot look to it. But there you go. We're going to try another one here on cool. That kind of looks like a bush in its hair, doesn't it? We'll put some eyes in that and see how it looks later. So let's cut the other one free. And I'll go at it a little bit more aggressive now that I know what I'm doing. Kind of. And we'll get this free. And we're going to try this one on cool because I can't say I like the grass look into a bush there. This takes patience, and evidently I don't have those. I don't have patience or grace or art talent. You'll notice I'm not painting the eyes on the trolls. That would not go well at all. I did not get those talents, but I'll tell you, my grandkids, oh my goodness. Some of them are good at art and music, and doggone, the sports talent that my grandkids have is incredible. Okay. All right, we're going to put this on low this time and do the top. Let's see what happens. Okay, that might be too low, and I need like 4 hands here. Okay, that's not gonna go. I think you need the high. Yeah, that's just,
then not so close on high.
what?
Then not have it so close, but on high, to get somewhere in between the two.
Okay, is it perfect? No. Why is that? Probably me. I took the little green one and I kind of pushed the little hairs apart after it was cooled, and that worked pretty good. It still looks like, oh, the eye fell out. It still looks like hair, I don't know, grass, but I like it. I've learned a lot of things. First of all, if you're using a soldering iron, don't use the same one that you've used making harnesses on webbing, because that tends to burn and then you get that on your troll. His hair, let's see, now that it's cool, I would say use high with caution from a distance, and hopefully you have more talent than I do. But there you go, the 3D troll with the 3D printed hair. I personally like the yarn better, but it's kind of cute. We're gonna give him some eyes. Maybe. Pull these off so that I don't know what happened here. It kind of kind of got messed up. I like this blue. Kind of looks like troll eyes. Okay, and then we're going to give him a little belly jewel. There we go. Belly jewels have been around for many thousands of years. I get a kick out of people who think they invented them in the 80s or 90s. There you go. Couple of little trolls. It's been a couple days because I wanted to look at the hair. When I first made it, I had kind of a mass and I wasn't crazy about it, and I didn't want to mess with it on camera and have it fall out or break. But what I did after the camera was shut off is I took my fingers and I kind of shuffled that back and forth, and I really like those now. I think they're really cool. And on the shelf, when you back up, this looks like grass growing, and I think that's kind of neat. And I like that gold and black with the blue pop. I just think it's fun. Now I have to come up with a craft for the bands that the hair comes out of, because you know I hate throwing that kind of stuff away. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment. Ooh, don't be too cruel. And a like. Maybe even if you didn't like it. Thanks for watching.